Anong sagot dyan? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. To solve this problem, I'm going to offer two different solutions. Yung una ay using yung formula. The formula would look like this. You have your X, which is the original price, minus yung discount, which is 40%, times X, kasi doon naman sa full price kinukuha yung discount, diba? Yun ang ginagamit pang calculate. Equal siya sa final price or sa new price, which is 1,620. That's the first option. Now, we'll use that to check yung isang option that I will show you, which is basically using ratio rotation. This is easier to remember kasi ang kailangan mo lang tandaan is OP over NP. The original price over the new price. Pwede rin new price over original price, basta tapat dapat. You have your percentage side and you have your peso side. Now, dito sa percentage side, ang original price or full price is always 100%. Ang new price or discounted price, sa case na ito, 40% ang discount. So, yung dating 100%, binawasan mo ng 40%, magiging 60% na lang siya. Tapos, doon sa peso side, you have the original price na hindi natin alam. So, lalagyan natin X. And then, yung new price, binigay naman, is 1,620. Pwede kang mag-cross multiply or pwede kang mag-ratio rotation nga. The lowest terms lang natin to. 10 over 6, pwede i-divide pa sa 2. So, this will be 5 over 3. So, from here, iikot lang natin. Yun yung ratio rotation. At again, meron na akong mga full video lessons ito. Pakihanap na lang. So, i-divide natin yung 1,620 by 3. And then next, you're going to multiply it by 5. So, dito, ang sagot natin ay 2,700. Now, i-try natin using yung formula. This is just going to be X minus 0.4X. Kasi 40% is 0.4. I-multiply natin siya sa X. X minus 0.4X is going to give us 0.6X. And para maging X sila pareho, we can just divide both sides by 0.6. Divide 1,620 by 0.6. And to do that, we'll just move the decimal place one time. Magiging 6 na lang. Dadagdagan natin siya dito ng 0. 16 divided by 6 is 2. That would give us 12. Bawas natin dyan. 4, 2. 42 divided by 6 is 7. 42 yan, sakto. May dalawa ka pang 0 dito. Pwede natin ilagay na lang dito sa taas. So again, the answer is still 2,700 pesos. So whichever method works best for you, yun ang gamitin nyo sa exam. Unless you're watching this at nasa algebra section kayo ng inyong pag-aaral, follow yung solution ng teacher, ha? Ayoko mapahamak kayo. Alright, it's your turn. Anong sagot dyan? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to follow me for more.